In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gamma I Pro 4. We're going to walk through upgrading your Gamma workspace to the Pro plan step by step so you can unlock premium features and higher limits without any confusion. I'll keep it clear and simple and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to gamma.app in your browser and log in. If you already have an account, use your usual credentials. If you're part of more than one workspace, make sure you're in the workspace you actually want to upgrade. Pro is applied at the workspace level, so it's worth double checking before you continue. If you use Gamma at work and personally, confirm you're in the right one to avoid billing the wrong team. Once you're in, click your profile or your workspace name. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically find this in the top corner. This opens the workspace menu. From there, go to Settings and Members. This is where Gamma keeps all of your administrative controls, including billing and plan options. If you don't see settings and members, you might not have admin permissions, so reach out to a workspace admin to proceed. Inside settings and members, look for the button labeled Upgrade Your Workspace and click it. You'll see the available plans. Choose the Pro plan. This is the tier designed for heavier creation and collaboration, with premium capabilities and increased limits that help you work faster and present more professionally. If your workspace already shows as Pro, you're set and don't need to take further action. Next, select your billing preference, monthly or annual. Monthly gives you flexibility, while annual usually offers a better overall value if you know you'll use Pro all year. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right cycle for your budget and approval process, especially if you're purchasing on behalf of a team. Now enter your payment details. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and billing address match exactly what your bank has on file to avoid declines. If you're using a company card, confirm any spending limits or required approvals in advance. Some regions may require additional verification from your bank, so keep your phone handy in case a quick confirmation is needed. When everything looks correct, click subscribe. Gamma will process your payment and your Pro plan activates instantly. You should see confirmation in your workspace, and your new features and higher limits will be available right away. If anything looks off, a quick refresh of your browser usually helps, and that's it. Your Gamma workspace is now on Pro. Enjoy the enhanced tools and happy creating.